Why does it look so sad today? Who seems to be waiting for a phone call? How long has it been? Wait forever but not see call. I have a phone. Hello.
Honey, prepare to go out.
Lala, you can go out. Which shirt should I wear? This red shirt too long and wide, so simple. How should I choose which one? Choose another one. Wear this yellow shirt. This yellow shirt is too simple. Oh, there is no beautiful one suitable for outing with my dear.
Select this pink corduroy shirt, cut it across from the bottom to this point, then cut into arrows to form a bow of the same color as the shirt.
Duyan wear a shirt. Oh, very beautiful, very cute. Then take the bow tie to create a cute butterfly at the center of the chest. Look very attractive, super cute, very suitable for Duyan. She is so smart with her hands. Choosing a shirt color is also very beautiful. The idea is also very smart. Smart-handed, the shirt is so beautiful. So it's done. Honey, where is it? Let's go out.
Hi, you are so pretty. Let's go.
Take a long, charcoal purple cotton shirt. Use scissors to cut the lower part about 20 centimeters. Cut in the middle. Divide them evenly, and then cut them into 2 pieces. Take the water glue with the machine. Now, Duyan will use the scissors to cut the 2 sides at the bottom. So there is a very special shirt. Can you imagine how this shirt will look like? Charming is so happy. Duyan wears it for you guys. Wear like this? If we let these 2 long tassels let go, is it okay? Not alright.